Look at the gaps in those arches. Yeah, that's got to come down. That's what we're going to be doing in this video. We're going to put a lowering kit on this van, spring kit, 50mm drop. Okay, now we've got the strut off of the car. We need to go ahead and take these, we've got to take these spring compressors, which are actually meant for a car. So I'm hoping that they're going to manage with this, because these springs are a bit more heavy duty. So we'll give it a go. Okay, let's go ahead and just put these on here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get this fully tensioned up and then pick up from there. Check you've gone loose. Yeah, because I can turn that with my fingers. Now let's put that on there. It doesn't work out. Okay. Just carefully move that all the way off. Now what you want to do is place things in the order that you remove them. Go ahead and slide that out, leaving all this intact. Let's just set that over. Okay, we've got our new spring, eBack Pro. I reckon these are pretty good for coilovers. Had them on ton of vehicles and you can trust these. and they do what they say in terms of how much they lower it by. These are 50mm lowering springs, so I'm expecting to see that they possibly won't need any compression to get the top plate on. Now let's go ahead and put this back together. So set that back down there as we had it, and just in reverse. Okay, so we got one side completely done. I'm now about to start on the other side. Exactly the same procedure as the passenger side now, so I'm not going to go deep into the filming on that because it's just the reverse side. If there's anything different that's worth showing, I'll film that. But yeah, I have taken that piece across the top there and both wipers completely off now, because you need to be able to slide the other tray out here. This tray, so take that trim piece off and you can get to that. So yeah, we'll catch it on the time lapse, but I'm going to crack on with the other side now. Let's get on with it. So we've got a bit more work involved because there's actually a torsion bar on this, which I'll catch it on the other camera, but I'm going to need to drop that down. I forgot, of course vans have got a torsion bar, so I'll show you how. There's only going to be a few extra bolts to take out, and we can just take the pressure off the bar and then we should be able to drop the arms down. Okay, come and look.
Trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the twins when they got it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost.